Hi, welcome to another custom figure review, but it isn't really a figure review. It's more of just a review. Move these. Now, it's not a figure, but guess what this is? Yes, that's right. It is a Auton Handgun. Yes. Took the camera. Yes, I made this. Had no base of any Doctor Who thing. I made this completely myself. Yeah, as you can see, I haven't quite finished it yet. I still haven't got the skin colour into it, but this is how it was made. I got a rubber glove, I filled it up with newspaper and then put this piece of black tape. No, I haven't got. Okay, so I filled it up with newspaper. Then before I filled it up with newspaper, I cut it in half down to the very bottom so I could slip down, then fill the bottom half up with newspaper and then slip the tape over it. Then I didn't have to fill this part with any newspaper. I just slipped the black tape over this, stuck a wee thingy onto it, and then stuck a bit of newspaper up the thumb so you can just easily, through the glove hole, slip your hand right into it, and there you have a healthy Auton handgun. Thank you for watching, and if you don't subscribe to either of these accounts, I will shoot you.